This is Pavan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, last session we discussed the solution of the differential equations by using the variable separable method, homogeneous methods, and exact differential equations. Here now we discuss the non-exact differential equations. Here by using the derivative formula, it is very difficult to find the solution of the differential equation. Here in that situations, by using the formulas, that is the methods, by using the methods we can get easily the given differential equation converted into exact differential equation form. Then we get the solution of the differential equation. Here in that one, method 2 is a differential equation is in the form of m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0 is a homogeneous differential equation, and mx plus ny is not equal to 0. Then 1 by mx plus ny is an integrating factor. Here in that method, applications is solve the differential equation x square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy is equal to 0. Here in that first order differential equation, each term having a third degree, therefore this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now we have to compare with m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy is equal to 0. Here m of x comma y is x square y, n of x comma y is equal to minus x cube plus y cube. Here m is equal to x square y, n is equal to minus of x cube plus y cube. Therefore derivative with respect to y of m is equal to x square, derivative with respect to x of n is equal to minus 3x square. Here both are not equal to the given differential equation is not exact differential equation, but the given differential equation is homogeneous. Now we have to find the mx plus ny. M into x plus n into y is equal to minus y to the power of 4. Here this is not equal to 0. Here integrating factor is minus 1 by y to the power of 4. Here multiplying with minus 1 by y to the power of 4 of the given differential equation, the given differential equation goes to in the form of minus x square y by y to the power of 4 dx plus x cube plus y cube by y to the power of 4 dy equal to 0. Here minus x square by y cube dx plus x cube by y to the power of 4 plus 1 by y dy is equal to 0. Here now the given differential equation is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here m1 is equal to minus x square by y cube. Here derivative with respect to y of m1 is equal to 3x square by y to the power of 4. Similarly n1 is equal to x cube by y to the power of 4 plus 1 by y. Here derivative with respect to x is dou n1 by dou x is equal to 3x square by y to the power of 4. Here both are equal, dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore the given equation is exact. Here the given equation is exact differential equation. You have to integrate directly, you have to get the solution of the differential equation, that is integration of m1 dx plus n1 dy is equal to c. Here in that one we are doing integration with respect to x, y is the constant. Integration with respect to y, we have to remove the terms of x. Here therefore the remaining integration is integration of minus x square by y cube dx plus 1 by y dy is equal to c. Here now we integrate it, minus 1 by y cube is constant, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of 1 by y dy is equal to log y is equal to c. Yeah, this is the solution of the given differential equation. Here in that one, first the given equation is exact or not, we have to decide it. Here the given equation is exact differential equation, we have to integrate directly. Here the given equation is not exact differential equation, then we have to check it. The given equation is homogeneous or not. The given equation is homogeneous differential equation. Next we have to find the integrating factor. Integrating factor is mx plus ny. Here mx plus ny is not equal to 0, then the given equation we have to multiply by 1 by mx plus ny. Therefore the given equation goes to in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here next dou m1 by dou y, dou n1 by dou x both are equal, therefore the given equation is exact differential equation. We have to integrate it, we are getting the solution of the given differential equation. Next question, solve the differential equation x square y minus 2xy square dx minus x cube minus 3x square y dy equal to 0. Here we have to comparing the given differential equation m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M is equal to x square y minus 2xy square, n is equal to minus x cube minus 3x square y. Here dou m by dou y is equal to x square minus 2x 2y, dou n by dou x is equal to minus of 3x square minus 6xy. Here both are equal, here both are not equal, therefore the given differential equation is not exact differential equation. The given differential equation is not exact differential equation. Now we have to check it, the given differential equation is homogeneous or not. Here the given differential equation is each term having the third degree. Here third degree differential equation, therefore the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Here this is a homogeneous differential equation. Next we have to find the mx plus ny. Here mx plus ny, mx plus ny is x square y minus 2xy square of x plus minus 3x square y minus x cube by y is equal to 0. Here we have to simplify it, we are getting the x square y is not equal to 0. The integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny is equal to 1 by x square y square. We are multiplying with 1 by x square by y square. Here x square y minus 2xy square by x square y square dx minus x cube minus 3x square y by x square y square dy is equal to 0. Here we have to simplify it, we are getting the 1 by y by minus 2 by x dx minus of x by y square minus 3 by y dy equal to 0. This is in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here m1 equal to 1 by y minus 2 by x, n1 equal to 3 by y minus x by y square. Here dou m1 by dou y is equal to minus 1 by y square, dou n1 by dou x is equal to minus 1 by y square. Here dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. The given equation is exact differential. Here now we have to integrate it, integration of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to c. Here we are getting integration of 1 by y minus 2 by x of dx plus 3 by y dy equal to 0, constant c. We have to integrate it. Here we are getting the 1 by y of x dx minus 2 log x plus 3 log y is equal to c. Here this is the solution of the differential equation. Here next application, y square plus x square dy by dx is equal to xy dy by dx. Here first we have to convert it into this in the form of m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here m is equal to y square, n is equal to x square minus xy. Here dou m by dou y is equal to 2y, dou n by dou x is equal to 2x minus y. Here the given differential equation is not exact differential equation. The dou m by dou y is not equal to dou n by dou x. But the given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. Here mx plus ny is equal to y square x plus x square y minus xy square. Here that is equal to x square y is not equal to 0, Therefore the integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. Yeah, that is equal to 1 by x square y. Yeah, differential equation, this differential equation multiplied by x square by. Yeah, therefore y by x square dx plus 1 by y minus 1 by x dy equal to 0. Comparing with m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here m1 equal to y by x square, n1 equal to 1 by y minus 1 by x. Here dou m1 by dou y is equal to 1 by x square, dou n1 by dou x is equal to 1 by x square. Here dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n1 by dou x. Here the given equation is exact differential equation. Therefore directly we have to find the solution, that is integration of m1 dx plus integration of n1 dy equal to c. Yeah, therefore integration of 1 y by x square dx plus 1 by y dy equal to constant. Therefore y by x plus log y is equal to c. We have to simplify it. Log cy is equal to y by x. Yeah, this is the solution of the differential equation. Here first we have to check it, the given equation is homogeneous or not. Here homogeneous, directly we have to remember it. 1 by mx plus ny is the integrating factor. This integrating factor multiplied by given equation. The given equation goes to a exact differential equation form. The exact differential equation form, then directly we have to integrate it. We are getting the solution of the differential equation. Yeah, suppose that is a not homogeneous differential equation and we are not getting by derivative formulas, then we use the next form, that is in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0, that is in the form of m1 plus y into f1 product of xy and n equal to x into f2 xy. Then integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny is the integrating. Yeah, this is in this form only we have to get the integrating factor 1 by mx minus ny. This 1 by mx minus ny we have to multiply by given equation. The given equation goes to exact differential equation form. Yeah, application is x cube y cube plus x square y square plus xy plus 1 of y dx plus x cube y cube minus x square y square minus xy plus 1 xy dy equal to 0. Yeah, that is comparing with m dx plus n dy equal to 0. M is equal to x cube y to the power of 4 plus x square y cube plus xy square plus y. N is equal to x to the power of 4 y cube minus x cube y square minus x square y plus x. Here we have to find the dou m by dou y, dou n by dou x, both are not equal. Therefore the given differential equation is not exact differential equation. The given differential equation is in the form of y into f1 xy product of xy dx plus x2 f2 product xy dy equal to 0. Therefore the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. 1 by mx minus ny you have to find it. You are getting x cube y to the power of 4 plus x square y cube plus xy square plus y into x minus x to the power of 4 y cube minus x cube y square minus x square y plus x of y. You have to simplify it. 2x square y square of xy plus 1 is the integrating factor. Mx minus ny is not equal to 0. 1 by mx minus ny is the integrating factor. Yeah, this equation multiplied by given equation, you have to simplify it. Yeah, the given equation is in the form of m dx plus m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0. Here the comparing with 1, m1 equal to y by 2 plus 1 by 2x square y, n1 equal to x by 2 plus 1 by xy square minus 1 by y. Here dou m1 by dou y, dou n1 by dou x, both are equal. Therefore the given equation is the exact differential equation. Then we have to integrate it. We are getting the solution of the given differential equation. Here we have to integrate it. Y by 2 plus 1 by 2x square y plus of minus 1 by y dy equal to c. We have to integrate it. We are getting the xy minus 1 by xy minus log y square is equal to c. Yeah, next application is x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 plus x square y square plus xy of y dx, x to the power of 4 y to the power of 4 minus x square y square plus xy of x dy equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to x to the power of 4 y to the power of 5 plus x square y cube plus xy square dou m by dou y equal to this one, dou n by dou x is equal to this one. The given differential equation is not exact differential equation. The given differential equation is in the form of y into f1 xy dx plus x into f2 xy dy equal to 0. Therefore integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. Here first we have to find mx minus ny. Mx minus ny is not equal to 0, that is 2x cube y cube. Here integrating factor is 1 by 2x cube y cube. Here this integrating factor multiplied by the given differential equation. The given differential equation goes to in the form of m1 dx plus n1 dy. Therefore dou m1 by dou y, we have to find it xy minus 2x minus 1 by 2 x square y square n1 equal to this one. Yeah, that is dou n1 by dou x is equal to xy minus 1 by 2 x square y square. Both are equal. The given equation is exact. Yeah, the given equation is exact. Therefore directly we have to integrate it. Integration of m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to c. Given differential equation solution is x square y square by 2 minus x 1 by xy plus log x by y equal to c. Here the given differential equation is homogeneous form and it is not exact differential equation. Its integrating factor is 1 by mx plus ny. This 1 by mx plus ny we have to multiply it, that is goes to exact differential equation form, then we are getting the solution. The next method is the given differential equation is in the form of f1 product of xy y dx plus f2 product of xy x dy is equal to 0 in this form is there. Its integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. This 1 by mx minus ny we have to multiply it given differential equation. The given differential equation goes to a exact differential equation form. Here these two methods we are discussed. Here the given differential equation not in these two forms we will discuss in the next section.